Are you struggling with dark knees and dark elbows? Are you struggling to treat your dark knees and dark elbows, to brighten up your dark knees and dark elbows? If this is your situation, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I am going to give you guys solution on how to treat your dark nails and dark elbows, and in the shortest time ever. In 3 months time, you're going to come back with a positive result, with a testimony. Okay, now let's go into the video proper. I know a lot of you out there are suffering from dark nails and dark elbow. See my own. I'm also suffering from dark nails and dark elbow. That is why I have come today to talk to you about this. So I have experience in what I'm talking about. It used to be darker than this. Trust me. It used to be darker than this. But I've been able to treat it up until this level and I am still on it. The next 3 months, it will definitely look better. All right. So let me give you people what I am doing to clear my own dark elbow, and you can do it too. Now, the reason why people have dark nails and dark elbow is not because they are dirty. No, far from it. It's not because you're dirty or because you're not having your bath well. There are a couple of reasons why people have dark nails and dark elbow. Number one is what? Friction. Can you see this? Because this place, there's a lot of friction going on here. That is number one reason why you have that dark elbow. Okay. And if you notice, if you touch your elbow, you notice that the skin around here is thicker. Okay. There's so much skin around here so that you can bend your knees and your elbow. Do you understand? There's extra skin here. So it is thicker and more difficult to treat. So you don't treat it like your normal skin, you treat it extra, okay? Number 3 reason why people have dark knees and dark elbows is genetic. Genetics. Biology. Did your mother have it? Did your father have it? That is another reason. For me, my dad has this kind of knees and elbow. He has this kind of elbow. So mine is genetics. Another reason why you have dark knees and dark elbow is because you don't have a proper skincare routine. I'm also guilty of this. Before now, prior to now, I didn't have a proper skincare routine. In fact, I did not have a skincare routine at all. But thank God now I have come to the realization that you need to have a proper skincare routine, day skincare routine and night time routine. You need to have a proper routine. Do you understand? And yes, I'm so happy and excited that I have knowledge of this and I'm also teaching people about it. So lack of having a proper routine can make you have dark knees and dark elbow. Do you understand? There are a lot more other reasons, but let me stop here right now. If you know that you have dark knees and dark elbow because of one of these reasons I just mentioned, you don't need to panic and you don't need to break the bank. What I'm going to be teaching you today is very, very affordable skincare products. Do you understand? Number one way to treat dark knees and dark elbow is what? Proper cleansing. Gentle cleansing. Just because you're trying to clean or brighten this area doesn't mean that you should use harsh products on your skin. No. So you are going to properly cleanse that area probably when you're having your bath. You're going to cleanse that area. Secondly, use African sponge. If you're a Nigerian, I already know that you are using African sponge because almost everybody in Nigeria or Africa uses African sponge. But if you are abroad, please lay your hands, just get any African sponge you can see. Make sure that you are scrubbing this place like this as you are washing. Always wash. Spend time washing this place, okay? That is proper cleansing. The next thing to do is what? You have to exfoliate. Exfoliate. First of all, because this place has a very thick, it has a thick skin on it, I'll advise you use physical scrub. I always tell you, if you have a sensitive skin, use chemicals, exfoliants. But for these particular areas, because they are tough, I'll advise you to use physical exfoliants. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and buy your scrubs, your physical scrubs from the market, so that you can scrub. Remember, we want to remove dead skin cells, so you scrub this place and your knees. That is how you exfoliate. You can use physical scrub this week, use chemical scrub next week. Do you understand? Only on these areas. Now, after scrubbing properly, you will make sure that these places are moisturized, properly moisturized. If you touch your knees and your elbow, you realize that it is dry. Like, that place, those places are dry, very dry. That's because products hardly stick to those areas, so they hardly work on those areas. That is why you take your time to, apply products on these areas very well. So make sure you have oil to exfoliate. After applying your body cream, like generally, get an oil to apply on these areas. That is the third treatment procedure. Now, the final step is to get products like this. Okay, products like this will not harm your elbow and your knees. Okay, now the reason why I said you should get products like this is because these products are already formulated for these areas. Now, this product contains carrot extract. It's a black spot corrector concentrated formula. Now, I have gone through the ingredients of this product and I know that it contains ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. It contains kojic acid, that is another very good brightening ingredient. It contains hydroquinone. Yay, don't shout. I know a lot of you must have heard a lot of skincare influencers telling you, oh, don't use hydroquinone. It is not the hydroquinone that is bad. It is not bad entirely. It is the way people use it that is bad. It is the way people use it that destroys their skin. Remember, hydroquinone is a brightening ingredient used to brighten the skin. But you have a limited time to use it. I mean, time frame is limited. You cannot use it more than 3 months at a stretch. So you're going to get this product or any other product that contains hydroquinone and apply both morning and night. Apply both morning and night. For context, this is what I'm using. This is the Dodo Skin Gold. Okay, so if you cannot get this product in your area, or I don't know, if you cannot lay your hands on this product, just lay your hands on any product that contains hydroquinone. This one contains 29% of hydroquinone. Use it for 3 months at a stretch and then you stop. Use it for 3 months and stop. I bet you once you use these products for 3 months or any other product that contains hydroquinone, you follow the steps I just gave you: proper cleansing, exfoliation, moisturizing, and hydroquinone. Once you do this thing for 3 months, come back and tell me thank you, because there's no way you will not see the results. You will definitely see the results. I'm already seeing the results. So go ahead and do these things that I told you and you will come back and tell me thank you. So guys, whatever you're doing on your elbow, if you have dark knees, do it on your knees. If you have dark elbow, do it on your elbow for 3 months. Watch the progress and come back and let us know. So thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please do well to join the family. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to someone who might need this. Okay, turn on post notifications so that once I drop a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris. See you guys in my next video. Stay glowing.